Gosh, I guess I am an emergency hero after all. I may not be able to zoom around the city, but I can still play an important part in keeping everyone safe. And you know what? We can all be heroes in our own way. Maybe you can help by learning your address and how to call for help. Or by being kind to others and helping your family and friends. Remember, kids, being a hero isn't about having superpowers. It's about doing your best to help others every day. So, will you be a hero with me? Great! Now let's practice our emergency vehicle sounds. Can you make a police car sound? Wee woo wee woo. How about a fire truck? Honk honk. And an ambulance? Beep beep. Don't forget the helicopter. Whoop whoop whoop. Fantastic job, everyone. You're all emergency heroes now. Remember to stay safe and always be ready to help others. This is Squirt the Fire Hydrant signing off. See you next time, heroes.